This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show when I show you what to do with your noodles. My daughter has one of those little keyboards that has a little microphone, and yeah. Aloha, Samyang, Aloha bowl noodles, Kimchi flavor. I've got a plan of what I'm gonna do to this. Yeah. First off, I'm gonna open it. I think it's fighting me. It is Friday, and so there you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. And so today, I'm gonna throw this water in here. And hey, I didn't make a mess. That's pretty good. Okay. There's our 3 minutes. Heat off. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty insane. Happy birthday, she says. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some things to these noodles that are gonna be fun and enjoyable. And that's what I got to say about that. I'm not only gonna do the regular thing, but I'm gonna do even like a little bit of prep for you. And crack open a new. Yeah. Look at that. Hedgehogs. Why do they put hedgehogs and walruses on these things? Is that like a No, it's like a white hamster. Eek, eek. White hamster. Those guys at Coca-Cola, they keep coming up with these funny little animals. I tell you, white hamster. Wow, innovative. Tastes like white hamster. I'm gonna place it right here. That's product placement, ladies and gentlemen. That's a product. So anyways, it's Friday. It is like gross outside. Yeah, it's pretty gross. And my daughter is noisy. You already knew that. Oh, you want to see something funny? So I got a new camera, and so what you are seeing me with is one of these. These, if you got a Galaxy Note 8, you had a choice of getting like fancy earbuds or this thing. And this thing, it's a 360 camera, so it's got a lens in the front and a lens in the back, and they're fisheye, and you can stitch it together. And through the miracle of technology, basically get a sphere, like you're inside a sphere, and then you can like drag it around, or you can wear those VR goggles and feel like you're in a room. Mimi, shush. And then, yeah, so, but it said it was new open box. Well, here's the guy that opened the box. He's got a booger. I think that's what he's got. Let's get a little bit closer in on it. Is that a booger? I don't know. But it was a pretty good deal. So thank you, this guy. He has a, appears he has an iPhone. Wait, how did I know that? Oh, there it is. Yeah. But, yeah, he's got a phone. Wow. That's my daughter. She's a noisy one. So we... Love you too, Mimi. Wow. She's intense, man. So here's our kimchi flavor Aloha bowl noodle. Okay. Those steeped well. Sample the broth. Nice. All right, so this is the quintessential good standard kimchi bowl noodle style thing. Now, wait, he's pouring it in the pot. What's he doing? What's he doing? Why is he doing it? It's gonna get crazier too. Why'd he pour it in the pot? What's he got there? Cheese? What's he doing with the cheese? He's just like throwing cheese in a pot on top of it? I don't get it. What's wrong with him? Does he have a condition? Yes, he does. Wait a second. What now what is he doing? Oh, what the hell is that guy doing? He's got a pair of scissors. Whoa, and flying spring onion. Going in that pot. And like so. Alright. You're noisy! Now I'm giving it a nice stir. Now it gets much weirder. I'm going to use the green biodegradable spoon of love. And I'm going to get our little friend here. Lao Gan Ma. I don't know how this happens. It's like every time I open this thing up, it like seals up tighter than anything. Help, says Mimi. Oh, yes. This is Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. And if you haven't had it, you need to. But I'm taking some of this stuff. Look at this love sludge right here. Look at that. And I'm dumping it in here. Look at that. Look at that oiliness it's leaving. What's the matter, Mimi? What you doing? How's your day? Now I'm going to stir that in. And now I'm going to put it back on the heat and boil the crap out of it. Why? Because. What are you doing, Mimi? What's the problem? Would you like me to put something in this bowl? What would you like? What do you want to eat? You want some chips? Yes! The same kind? Because we're out of those. I will not give you what you want. I'm sorry. Yeah, we have no more of those chips. Sorry. Don't get mad. Well, let's see if you'll eat these. Lightly salted Fritos. Have some of that for now. Miriam! Oh, Miriam! Here you go. Gentle. She's going insane, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry, you know, I might have to take her to the vet, have her checked out. Whoa, what happened here? Am I out of juice on this? Oh, I see. Ah! I think that bloop, 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 probably is saying, hey, you got your 360 camera. Okay, and it's coming back to a boil. Slowly but surely. I'm hoping this is something that's good. The base product is good. It gets a decent score. You should have heard my daughter earlier. I was like, hey, look, the sun's coming out. Because it did for a few minutes. She's like, no, I don't like the sun. No sun. I'm like, okay. And then I got a little thing from Facebook saying that 2 years ago this morning I was enjoying a Chinese donut in Taiwan. I'm like, oh. And I was like, look, it's Taiwan. She's like, no, like not Taiwan. God. She's a little girl. Cranky little girl at times. All right. Okay. So let's see what we got here. We have that, which if you see this on the street, you must obey. Wow. That's kind of creepy and scary. Let's see. I tried a new thing with the camera, or the tripod. In one of the articulation points, I stuffed a little something. There we go. That's not bad. So let me try it. One thing, if you're thinking of like other things to throw in, you might want to do something like a little bit of egg. That's what I should have done. I should have beaten an egg into it. Just beat all day long. Beat an egg. Now look at that. Yeah. Yeah, that works. I like it. You might think I'm crazy. I don't mind. I'm okay with being considered crazy. Oh. And here, let's have a nice little moment with this bowl of noodles. It's time for Rotato to weave its beautiful magic and lovely piece of music for you. All right, all right, This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.